all of this year has been full-time fundraising for me. It definitely takes a lot more time than I thought it would. I think the main hurdle is finding the right profile of investor for our opportunity.
How many conversations you had before getting your first investment?
Around 250.
During your raise, you have to be confident that you keep that momentum going.
It's very difficult when you're trying to build a company and trying to cap raise at the same time.
The hardest thing in founding a business is raising the capital. For a business like ours, capital is oxygen. I think any founder needs to be prepared to grind. It's not an easy job.
Will we still be alive when we do finally get an investor?
How to sort the people who are really intending to invest from the people who are just kicking tires.
If you launch a cap raise and you're not prepared, then it will take you much longer, but you'll also turn off a lot of investors along the way.
We really use the platform a lot to screen people and to help us to find the investors that could make a real difference for us.
It mitigated a lot of time investment, allowed us to focus a lot on the business, and we had a great team behind us helping us.
You're a platform, an ecosystem, an integrated network we all know enables to speak to so many people around the world that we would not be able to do otherwise.
Gave us, I suppose, that discipline of getting the information out there. So, really good categories, that centralized platform that we could keep on top of all our documents. It also gave the potential investors the ability to look at the information in their own time. Having one source of truth for information for investors, you could see who had looked at your platform. It sort of prompted you to follow up.
So we've only been with Wholesale Investor about 6 months now. We've raised them $3 million through the platform.
We use Wholesale Investor's platform to raise our seed round. We raised about $1.3 million.
In fact, our US JV partner came indirectly through Wholesale Investor. We've raised somewhere between 20 to 30 million.
We just signed an agreement about a month ago for a $7.5 million project in Queensland.
One actually came through Wholesale Investor, was an introduction, and they're coming on board, and they're rolling out hundreds of sites that will have solar and battery.
Fantastic. We've raised $3.5 million in equity to be able to build the foundations in the organisation.
As of the 1st of December, I'm now contracted as the managing director of an ASX listed company.
I feel really lucky because I think Wholesale Investor for me has listened. They've not only listened, but they've delivered and brought not only investment partners, but actually has the ability to be seen and you have extra exposure.
We came seeking finance, but we're going to leave probably doubling or tripling the size of our app by incorporating other people's tech and other ideas and things and collaborating together, which is something we were not expecting.
Did the seed raise on the Wholesale Investor platform to start our global expansion. And we'll be back to Wholesale Investor to raise our next round on theirs.
So it's not just about investment. This platform has just opened up such a massive amount of global opportunity for Rex Energy